has been retired or has been dismissed?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Kasi pag nakatanggap siya ng retirement benefits, di na-retire siya. Whether Mr. Gonzales is a retired PNP personnel or a dismissed PNP personnel. Who would be able to answer that? Kasi kanina, retired, dismissed. So may I know whether Mr. Gonzales is a retired PNP personnel or a dismissed PNP personnel?
He was dismissed, sir.
He was dismissed.
Yes, sir.
I would
2018, sir.
2018. So doon siya na-dismissed. But he never retired or he never was retired.
Actually, this morning, sir, I conducted my own investigation with the PRPS, and I already sent them a notice confirming the possibility why he was allowed to get lump sum. So I am checking on this, sir. As the director of our investigation, I heard some rumors that he was able to get his lump sum. So I have yet to receive the official report from the PRPS. So,
Okay, kindly, and the next hearing, will you please bring the answer to the query?
yes, sir.
If he has, or if he had received his lump sum,
Yes, sir.
then he has retired. Di ba?
Yes, sir. Accordingly, sir, he received his lump sum and using a fictitious clearance. So I have yet to find out the truth about that. I
Ah,
only received the information this morning.
Kaya nga, sa susunod na hearing natin, could you please furnish this committee all the information regarding whether Mr. Gonzales has been retired or has been dismissed?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Kasi pag nakatanggap siya ng retirement benefits, di na-retire siya.
Yes,
O,
sir.
sinasabi nyo, finake niya yung kanyang kwan.
It's just only my
Well,
assumption, sir,
oh,
but I'm waiting for the official report from the PRPS, sir.
sige. Basta sa susunod na hearing, pakibigyan nyo kami ng kumpletong report niyan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi pati ako nahihilo kung retired siya or dismissed it.
Yes, sir. I was also looking at his PAIS database.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, this morning. Thank you, sir.
Ah.
I'll give you the update regarding this case, sir.
Thank you. General
Sir.
Torre, I watched your interview together with Mr. Gonzales. May I know what is the present occupation of Mr. Gonzales? Kasi maraming media na nagtatanong doon pero he was very, very evasive. So, would you know, ano po ang occupation of Mr. Gonzales currently?
During that time, sir, I believe that he is acting as a bodyguard of somebody I have not identified, and I have not seen any document that will support my this information, sir. So I have not seen any employment contract or any identification card regarding that matter. I asked for him. I asked that from him. He did not provide it, sir.
Allow me to ask my question sometimes in the Tagalog dialect simply because sinasabi ng mga nanonood ko minsan, hindi nila maintindihan yung English. So, kung pwede Tagalogin. So, hindi mo, nung tinatanong ng media, naririnig ko yun eh. Doon sa video, hindi mo man lang tinanong si Mr. Gonzales kung ano na yung hanap buhay niya ngayon?
Tinanong ko, sir.
Ano sabi niya?
VIP security, sir.
Security nino.
Ayaw sabihin, sir.
Ha?
Ayaw sabihin, sir.
Bakit kaya?
He might be protecting his principal, sir. Ang sinabi niya na
Or sarili niya pinoprotektahan siya, baka sipain siya dahil sa ginawa niya.
possible, sir.
Kasi nagtataka ako bakit hindi nyo pwedeng patugain siya doon sa kanyang hanap buhay. When in fact, kayo ang nag-provide ng platform para mag-explain siya sa publiko, which caused you receiving flack from the people.
Yes, sir.
Di ba? Kasi sinasabi doon sa kwan,
Congressman, interject lang ako dyan. Apraso. For your
Sige.
information lang. Ano. Alam mo naman tayo mga congressman, medyo may mga mga nadidinig din tayo. Yes, may mga marites na nagsabi na bodyguard siya ng isang justice. Ano, ng, I think, hindi ko malaman kung Supreme Court or ano, whatever. Pero tinanggal na daw. So, yun lang for the information of everybody. Pero hindi po yan, wala pong ano yan. Wala resibo. Pero kung tinanggal na siya, good for him.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.